So these are the ones that, oh yeah, I also got some gift bags for some other ventures. I thought it would be best to get these because easier to have some at hand when I want to do certain things. So these are the mailers. You've got the plastic mailers. So I bought a few mailers from Shein because I needed some mailers to be able to ship some of the products that I sell. So yeah, I tried them out because they were quite cheap and I wanted to see what quality it was and if it was worth buying my stocks from Shein. So yeah, I bought a few different ones, different sizes. So here are the ones that I've got so far that I wanted to check and see what they were like. So these are the ones that, oh yeah, I also got some gift bags for some other ventures. I thought it would be best to get these because easier to have some at hand when I want to do certain things. So these are the mailers. You've got the plastic mailers. We'll open them in a second. You got the padded one with the bubble. I got some of these. This one here. And I've got these pink ones here. We'll open these in a moment. And I got these big ones, which I'm like 5 of these. Good decent price. So yeah, we're gonna open these up and we'll see what they look like, and I'll go through how much I paid for them and if I thought it was worth the price that I've paid. So yeah, let's get these mailers out and see if they were worth my monies. So I'm going to start with this one. This is a pack of 5 and I got these for £1.75. So let's open this up. What they look like. Okay. So let's open it up. So the size of this is, the width is 25.5 and length 39 centimeters. This is what they look like. Quite pretty. I actually like it. It's nice. So that's those ones. So it's £1.35 for 5. £1.75. So that's that. I do really like this. I'm probably gonna buy more of these ones because they're so pretty. Now, next one we're gonna look here is this pink one. It's pretty. I love pink. So, well, I like pink, but it's not my favorite color. But this floral color is pretty. Very pretty. Open this up. These are a pack of 5 and I got these ones for £1.50. £1.50 for 5. Can't go wrong with that. £4.50. So is it the same size as that one? Yep, 25. No, actually it's different size. This is actually, the width of this is 25.5 and the length of this is 33 centimeters. So smaller than the pinky one, but it's pretty. So pretty. Look at that, guys. Tell me that ain't pretty. That is beautiful. So that's that. That's that out of the way. Next one I'm going to open this one. I think this is my favourite out of those 3 plastic mirrors because I just love the floral look. The green against the white, that's so pretty. Look at it, 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 look at it. Look at that against my Cutman white top. Pretty, right? Pretty. Let's have a look. Let's see. Okay, from this one. So here we go. Found it. Open this up. This one cost £1.50 as well. The length of this is the exact same as the other one, the pink floral one, which is 22.5 the width centimeters and 33 centimeters the length. So here we go. You can see them side by side, exact same. It's just a tad bit bigger than the thank you one. As you can see. Yeah, I think they're the same size one as I get the thank you one. Yeah, I didn't write the size down yet. Let me see. Yeah, the thank you one's smaller, my bad. I mean, a tad bit bigger than the thank you one. This is a tad bit smaller than this one, so yeah. So that's theirs. Very pretty. £1.50 for 5. That's a big bargain right there. Definitely buy some more of these ones because I like them. They're pretty. You can hold quite a few stuff. You can hold hair bundles. You can hold jewelry. You can hold your phone. You can. Let me see. The bubble melons. You can see that in there. I think that's all we're gonna do. Yeah, so I bought. I also bought another thank you one, but I think this one's plain though. It just says thank you and that's it. There's no graphics on it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, these are actually bags. Not realised these ones are bags. No, what am I talking about? I got so confused there myself. Oh my gosh, no, this is the mailer. This have a handle. This one's got a handle on it, and it just says thank you. And the size of this is 25.5 centimeters width and then 39 centimeters long. Let's see it against this one. Yeah, 39 centimeters long. So yeah, pretty. I like that it's plain, and I like that it's got a handle you can hold it with, so that's quite different. This was also £1.75 for 5. So these are them side to side. Oopsie, this is this one, this is this one. Oopsie, wrong way around. Thank you. Next. Next one is let's put these away. I'm not feeling money. Put them back in here. Get them back in here. It's quite hard with the sticky bits sticking in it. Go in, Mel. Why are you listening out? What do you say? I got that. Next one. I've got 2 packs of these, so I've got 10 altogether. 2 packs of that one. Just a plain thank you one. Then I've got these. This is a pack of. What comes in this one? Pack of 5 bubble. It's bubble mellow. So the size of this is 18 centimeters width and 23 centimeters the length. As you can see, it's a umbrella. Yeah, so this is it here. As you can see, I can fit my case in. I can put my case in here and still fit it. There'll still be space at the top. So it's a decent size. Buy more of these. Can't go wrong with buying a piece of these. There again, 5 in there. Now we do this little one here. You get 2 for £1.25. Basically probably can put jewellery in because it's quite small. So the width of this is 15 centimetres and the length 18. You get 2 for £1.25. Also bubble yellow. So that's that. Okay. Oh yeah, also I'll show you guys this one already. Show you this one already. Now we're gonna. I also got some stickers, some thank you stickers. This was £1 for 60. Oops, £1 for 60. They're quite cute. Got these rustic looking thank you stickers. Should be putting on my parcel just to thank you to my customers. It says thank you for supporting my small business on there. That's that. I also got a roller. So those thank you stickers were £1. These ones were actually this is a roll of 500 and it was £1.50. £1.50 for all of that. It says the same thing, thank you for supporting my small business. Okay. So that's a bargain. You can't go wrong with 500 stickers for £1.50. These mellows. These is a pack of 10. What should these cost me? Cost me £3.75 for 10. However, I checked on eBay and you could find these on eBay. These are 13 centimeters with the length of this is 18 centimeters. But on eBay I found somebody that sells the length, so a different size, which is width 15 and length 18, and they were selling 50 of these for £11 something. So it worked out cheaper if I was to buy these, if I do buy these size regular, to buy it on eBay, because this is a bit more expensive if I bought these from Shein. But anyways, I'll show you Shein's one. This is the pink yellow. It's not that. You probably could fit jewelry stuff in here. This is my door knob. That fits in there. You could probably fit 3 of those in this. Maybe not 2. 2 in there. That's how big that is. Fit 2 of these in there and close it. That's that. So that's that. £3.75. of these. Pack of 10. Now these big ones are my that I'm happy about because you can fit lots of stuff in here. Look, if someone's got a large order, you can fit lots in here. This is a pack of 5 and this actually cost me £3.25 for 5. Width is 28 centimeters and the length is 37. These are massive, you can fit quite a lot of things in here. That's why I bought them for larger orders. So yeah, that's the end of my video. Actually, no, it's not. The big bag. These ones, I love the black against the white with these ones. So these cost me. This cost me. Oh, I didn't write the price down. Didn't I actually buy something? Anyway. The width of these are 15 and the height is 20. So, what they're looking. So cute. Oh, yes. Okay, if you want and you wanted to give your guests favors, like you could use these or give us a thank you for coming to my birthday. Give a little thing here. So that's that. It's quite cute, ain't it? Okay, that's that. I also got these brown bags. This is a pack of 10. So this is a pack of 5. This is a pack of 10. Yeah. These were not expensive either. They weren't that expensive. Can't remember how much they were. Got to write the price on them, please. But anyways, this 5, length 18, width 10, height 22 centimeters. So this is cute. Love the rustic look of this. There's a 2 bag side to side. So yeah, definitely gonna come in handy for events and stuff. So guys, all together I spent all that stuff, which I think is a bargain for all that stuff. I can ship a lot of items in those packages. It's £35.75, as you can see here. £35.75 for all of it. So I will definitely be ordering some more of those items. So all together, let me just go back through. Got 5 gift bags, 10 of these, 10 bubble mailers, 5 of these, 5 of these, 10 of the painting ones, 10 of these, 15 of these, 2 of this one, and 10 of these. That's my stickers. These ones, these ones are all £35.75. So yeah, all of that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and